Hindi ko pa pwede sabihin kung ano, pero madami exciting stuff. And they're also very new. Mga bagay na hindi ko pa talaga nagagawa bilang Andrea. And as for Lucky Beauty, marami pa kayong mga innovative products na maaabangan. Marami pang mga exciting surprises this year. So, tutok lang kayo dyan.
Maybe our last and final question for you, Blythe, is you built Lucky Beauty on Andrea Brillantes, right?
Yes.
So, you know, yung fame delivered the Lucky Beauty that we have right now. If the fame is gone, let's say, lagi naman natin sinasabi yan bilang artista, di ba? May shelf life ang mga artista.
Yeah.
Once the fame is gone, what is the legacy of Lucky Beauty that you want to leave with people?
Actually, I already had this talk with you, Sir Pao, na I don't really want Lucky Beauty to be dependent on me being an actress. I really want Lucky Beauty to be able to stand on its own because it's a good brand. Kaya that's what I'm really working on, is pagandahin talaga yung brand ko. Kasi I'm also growing pa as an artist. So I'm also growing with Lucky Beauty as a businesswoman, and Lucky Beauty being a new brand, it's still growing. So yun talaga, I'm passionate about with establishing Lucky Beauty to be a good brand. And dream ko talaga na maging staple siya in every Filipino's makeup kit kasi it's a good brand. So yun, ayoko siya maging dependent with me. I hope it can actually be bigger than Andrea. Something like that. Para, alam mo yun, mag-Rihanna na lang ako. Tapos hindi na ako mag-release ng... Si Rihanna kasi hindi na siya nagre-release ng music kasi talagang naging ano na siya eh. Parang naging CEO na siya. Naging bread and butter na niya is Fenty. So, sana lumaki ang Lucky Beauty tas di na ako charot! Alam ko malulungkot yung mga fans ko. Hindi. I won't give up. Hindi ko i-give up ang pag-artista ko tsaka ang pagiging CEO ko. I believe I can still do both. And I'm still very passionate about the two things.
Alam mo maganda yung dahil yung legacy ng Lucky Beauty, no? So you have a product na pinag-isipan, tinest, very passionate yung creator in your makeup kit. And I think that is the legacy that Lucky Beauty will be for the rest of time.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Alright, thank you very much. And that is how Andrea Brillantes built Lucky Beauty. Blythe, do you have anything else you want to say to your fans?
Thank you so much to my brilliance. Hello, thank you. Thank you for coming here. And sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, I had a good time, Sir Pao, and sana meron po kayong natutunan from me. And yes, Lucky Beauty is available and may booth po kami. So sana po mabisita nyo kami sa booth namin sa Lucky Beauty. Thank you!
Thank you everyone. Have a great day and enjoy BeautyCon. Bye!
Enjoy! Thank you!
Woohoo! Wasn't that a lucky treat? All thanks to Blythe, Paola, and of course to Lucky Beauty for sprinkling a little extra charm on today's journey. Up next, we've got a refreshing segment all about self-care and hygiene with a brand that keeps us feeling confident from the inside out. Be sure to catch it in just a few.